I'm in a 2007 PT Cruiser, and so I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see a lever here to release. That pop sound, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing. If this has no resistance, you'll want to dig behind this plastic and make sure all the cables are still attached. Right, now that safety is released, I'll go up to the front here, and we'll feel for the lever. So we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. That's what that lever looks like here. Make sure it's all attached and straight, no debris sticking here, and it's cleaned up. That's what the lower part looks like. Same thing, no debris in there. Maybe squirt some WD-40 if you need to loosen this all up. Same thing, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure the hood is all in proper alignment so it closes straight. But otherwise, that's it. It's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.